Open the dust cover. Turn left and twist out the low beam halogen bulb. Put the LED bulb into the housing, turn right and lock it in place. Connect the LED bulb plug to the stock plug. You can connect power plug firstly. Then turn low beam to test if LED bulb works. If it does not work, please turn around the plug and connect it again. Then lock the LED bulb in place. Close the dust cover.
Alright guys, so today we're working on this 2019 Kia Forte. These are the tools we're going to be using for the high beams. I'll show you right now why you're going to use them. Just the cover off, counterclockwise. For this one, you're going to have to remove this cap and the inside filling. It's all held down by a Phillips screw. Remove that. Use a flathead to just kind of pop it off, like so, and it just comes off. I'll show you right now why you have to do that for. Move the bulb, it's H7. Simply just twist counterclockwise, and we're gonna be using our Pro HK6 bulb. It's custom made just for the high beam. Alright, so now that you're going to put the bulb back in, be patient. It only goes in one way. So you have to find its place. And there you go. You hear that little click. Pretty much after that, you want to adjust the bulb. It's in, but you want to have it at 3 and 9 position. So you can kind of pop the bulb out and adjust. You remember, these are 360 adjustable bulbs. I'll show you right now. And here's the reason why we removed these two pieces from the dust cap. Pretty much if you had it, it would hit on the fan, so the cover couldn't go back on. It wouldn't be able to go back on. So you remove that. Now you have all this room there. Twist on. Make sure it's locked and secure. That's it. You're done.
Take out the small clips. To reach the turn signal light from the fender liner and twist out the stock bulb. Twist in LED bulb, turn on left turn signal to test if it works. are 4 screws. Use a ratchet wrench socket to screw it off. Twist out the bulb from the housing. Twist the LED bulb in. It just has one way to twist it in. Find the rear turn signal light behind the rear bumper. Twist it out from the housing. Turn on turn signal to test if it works.
Pretty good. Pretty good.
Twist the LED bulb into the housing. plug LED bulb in and turn on reverse light to test if it works.
Joanne. Reverse. Hold up.
If it does not work,
Hold up.
please take out and turn around the LED bulb, then plug in again.
Oh, good. Yeah,
Good.
we good. Oh, God. Thanks.